goes. Hello, welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you're a returning viewer. I'm SpeedyGimp313 for those of you that don't know. In this video, we're going to be continuing the performance mods to Deadpool my Camaro. If you're new to the channel and you haven't seen some of the other performance mods we've done, go back and watch some of those videos. I'll create a playlist and put a link to the playlist down in the description as well as somewhere on the screen. But in this video, we're going to be putting a full exhaust system on Deadpool the Camaro. And what I mean by a full exhaust is we're obviously going to have the exhaust system under the car and out the back of the car. But on the V6 Camaro, the manifold is cast into the engine block. So it has downpipes that come off of the engine. And I'll put pictures of that somewhere in the video. So the manifold is cast into the block. It has downpipes that come off of that join up to the exhaust under the car. We're going to be doing all of that to Deadpool. The downpipes with high flow cats, as well as a full Corsa exhaust system. So I'm going to head to the shop so we can get the installation underway. And once the installation is done, we're going to go to Huck's Automotive Performance, put the car on the dyno, and find out exactly how much horsepower we gained by doing this performance modification.
Whoa! Bad.
Broke a line.
Wow. Something I didn't see. That was totally my fault.
An hour later.
Unless we try and get up there, get the other one screwdriver, we could pry those off probably.
You should be able to pull them off, but what I'm trying to do is not get cut and also do this. Why are you guys here? Hey, you stay over there and watch them down. Any body work?
Just the plastic.
Nope, let's not do that.
I got this.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of something to put across here. I'll get back here and see what I'm doing. Is it too hot for you?
Yeah. Not even close.
Can we move one of those trays to prop it against it?
Nope, don't. Good, that sounds super safe.
It was just from James's house over here. Hey, buddy.
I don't know what you're looking for.
So obviously, guys, this is the stock exhaust. Much bulkier, much heavier. There are some dents in it, and I don't know if that's a design. Like, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on camera, but
It's way easier, better than actually getting involved. Right, from what I hear.
Yes. Yeah, all of our involvement today was kind of work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you were supposed to be gone.
Yeah.
Well, he did that wrong.
Right over at Carl's house.
I don't know. while, just a second. The same thing I did on the other side, because, you know, we learn.
Learning things.
Learning stuff and things.
There we go. We're good.
Got a clamp and then we're freaking done, bro.
Finally. Thank you guys so much.
Let's see if it starts.
Make sure it starts.
Because I guarantee it won't start right now.
No, we still got to hook the battery back
There
up.
you go. David remembers.
And it's going to look like a pissed off Christmas tree when we do.
I got a scanner. I'll clear everything and read it.
I got one too.
Everybody clear?
Yep.
Clear. Dang, I kind of wish the tip stuck out a little bit more. I wonder if they're going to melt that plastic.
No, they won't.
Are they touching the plastic?
No. Actually, the fitment on that is really good.
You had a really good installer.
You ready?
Oh, yeah.
Ready.
That's what I expected.
It is definitely more aggressive. Yeah, you can see that oil burning off. At the end of the day, it is a V6, but it's mine. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of days since the installation of the exhaust, which you just saw in the video, and I haven't filmed me driving with the exhaust or any of the other shots like showing you the way the exhaust sounds. And the reason I haven't done that, and I'm going to show you guys, is we actually have an issue with the exhaust install, and I will explain what the issue is after I show you guys what I'm seeing from my perspective. Alright, so there, we've got the car turned on. We immediately have a check engine light. Car sounds a little rough on startup. Okay, so now the car is actually not showing anything. It's not really idling any higher than it typically would. Alright, it's warmed up a little bit. The RPMs will drop. Okay guys, so it's not actually showing it, but what's been happening is, let's say I drive the car, like let's say I'm leaving my job and I get on the car, the ABS light will come on, the brake light will come on, and the service StabiliTrak will come on the where you see the speed currently displayed, as well as the traction control light over here on the tack on the right hand side. And I'll throw a picture of that here in the video to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, since it's not currently doing it. like I say, it'll do it once the car is at temperature and I get on it and drive pretty aggressively. But basically what I've learned from talking to my builder today is basically by doing the downpipes with the high flow cats, we've got to retune the PCM to compensate for the increased flow or the lack of restriction. So hopefully we're going to do that in a couple of weeks. And obviously I'm going to bring you guys that in this video, because when we do that, we'll also be throwing the car on the dyno to see what we gained as far as horsepower and torque over our previous run on the dyno with Deadpool the Camaro. And again, like I said, I'll put pictures of the what the gauge display looked like when all these lights were on, as well as I'll throw a picture from my diagnostic computer to show you guys the exact codes I was getting in the description the computer gave. So the video, when I got to editing it, seemed to be a little longer than I wanted it to be. So I'm not going to be able to show you guys everything I said in the opening that I would show. So what we're going to do is we're going to break the exhaust install into 2 videos. The first part, which is what you just saw, is going to be the physical installation. The next video on the channel is going to be the part where we take the car to Huck's Automotive Performance, get the PCM retuned, and get the final dyno numbers after the installation. I'm also going to include clips of the stock exhaust as well as the aftermarket exhaust for you guys to be able to compare the difference in the sound. And like I say, that'll take place in the second video in this series. Thanks for bearing with me and understanding. And let me know if you guys want to see future installs on the channel done in this way, broken down into a multiple video series. Let me know that in the comments down below. That's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If it's your first time coming to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. As always, links to all of my social media will be down in the description below. Be sure to check back for the second part of this video where, as I said, we're going to put the car on the dyno and get the official numbers to see what we gained from this modification. And also, I'm going to try to put out a video, kind of a year-end recap of everything we've done on the channel this year. That'll probably come out sometime around New Year's or New Year's Eve. So be sure to come back to the channel for that. Or let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.